Hello everyone, welcome to First Time Dad Help. I'm going to show you a simple recipe that you can use for a busy day. All it takes is some chicken thighs or chicken breast if you prefer. Put that in the crock pot. Take ranch seasoning. Put that over the chicken. And you take a block of cream cheese, put that over the top of everything. And this is about it. That's all the ingredients. So that's all the ingredients. Put it on low for 8 hours. And you will have a delicious meal in about 8 hours. What you do when this finally cooks is you can shred it up. You can put it on a sandwich, maybe like a King's Hawaiian roll, and you can make sliders. You can make it with rice or mashed potatoes.